Petrol power has met its match. The new Ego Cordless Power Plus chainsaw is here. Brought to you by the cordless specialists, it delivers the power of petrol without the noise, fuss, or fumes. Powered by Ego's unique arc lithium 56-volt battery, designed to maintain long-lasting power and unmatched performance, it delivers the industry's highest energy capacity in a portable handheld battery. Lightweight and compact, the high-efficiency motor runs longer with less vibration. Auto lubrication ensures smooth, superior cutting performance. With chain kickback protection and electric brake features to protect you as you work. Plus, with Ego's arc lithium battery delivering such incredible power, you'll be amazed how much you can cut. With the revolutionary Ego cordless system, just click in the battery and you're ready to go. The powerful arc lithium 56-volt battery fits all the tools in the Ego range. So whatever the job, however big the task, the Ego Power Plus chainsaw has the power you need to get it done right. Choose from 2 models and discover petrol matching power from the cordless specialists. Ego, power beyond belief.